Welcome back to Guessy Quiz. In this video, we'll guess the famous meme song. 10 questions, and 5 seconds to find the answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you are ready, subscribe, and let's play. Round 1. Can you guess this meme voice?
All of you!
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
The answer is
All of you!
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
Round 2. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 3. Can you guess this meme voice?
Breathe air. You don't need a vape.
The answer is
Breathe air. You don't need a vape.
Round 4. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 5. Can you guess this meme voice?
Look! A birdie! Let's catch it!
The answer is
Look! A birdie! Let's catch it!
Round 6. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 7. Can you guess this meme voice?
Hey everybody, it's me. I hope you're enjoying the all-new Grimace shake. Let's have a taste.
The answer is
Hey everybody, it's me. I hope you're enjoying the all-new Grimace shake. Let's have a taste.
Round 8. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 9. Can you guess this meme voice? The answer is Round 10. Can you guess this meme voice?
Happy birthday, Grimace.
The answer is
Happy birthday, Grimace.
How much is your right answer? Comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you.